last time I gave one question. I hope everybody might have tried it. The question was, if sigma k square plus 1 into k factorial k equal to 1 to m is 1999 into 2000 factorial, find the value of m. The question was, find the value of m. Now the options which were given were, first option was 1999, second option 2000, third option 2001, fourth option 2002. Okay, I hope many of you have tried, but those who could not do it, just see the method. Now sigma k square plus 1 into k factorial, k equal to 1 to m. We can always write it as k plus 1 whole square minus 2k into k factor. I hope you agree this. Now we can write this sigma by splitting into two parts. This will be, first sigma will be k plus 1 whole square into k factorial, k equal to 1 to m, minus 2 into sigma k into k factorial, k equal to 1 to m. Okay. Now further, this we can write it as k plus 1 whole square, we all agree it is k plus 1 into k plus 1, k factorial as it is, k equal to 1 minus 2 into sigma of, now this k which is there, we can write it as k plus 1 minus 1 into k factorial, k equal to 1 to m. Okay. Now advantage of writing like this is k plus 1 into k factorial, this everybody knows it is k plus 1 factorial, k equal to 1 to m, minus 2 into sigma k plus 1 into k factorial is k plus 1 factorial minus k factorial, k equal to 1 to m. Okay. Now what we do here is very important point which has to be noted here is k plus 1, we all agree it is k plus 2 minus 1. K plus 1 is k plus 2 minus 1 into k plus 1 factorial. This let us write for the time being as it is, k plus 1 factorial minus k factorial. Okay. Now this is k equal to 1 to m, k plus 2 into k plus 1 factorial, when we are splitting, we can write it as k plus 2 factorial minus k plus 1 factorial. Okay, minus 2 into sigma k equal to 1 to m, k plus 1 factorial minus k factorial. Let us write this as it is for the time. Now when you start putting k equal to 1, 2, 3 so on up to m, first sigma, when you put k equal to 1, it is 3 factorial minus 2 factorial plus 4 factorial minus 3 factorial plus so on. Last one will be m plus 2 factorial minus m plus 1 factorial. Okay. Now second sigma is 2 times, it will be, put k equal to 1, it will be 2 factorial minus 1 factorial plus 3 factorial minus 2 factorial. Like this process goes on. Last one will be m plus 1 factorial minus m factorial. Now advantage now is alternate terms are getting cancelled. If you observe, alternate terms, next one will be 4 factorial will get cancelled. Like this all will get cancelled except minus 2 factorial and m plus 2 factorial in the first part won't cancel. Let us write m plus 2 factorial minus 2 factorial, and in the second one 2 times all will get cancelled except m plus 1 factorial minus 1 factorial. This won't cancel, everything will get cancelled. Now finally what we are left is this 2 factorial also will get cancelled when you open the bracket, minus 2 into minus 1, it becomes plus 2. So we are left with m plus 2 factorial minus 2 times m plus 1 factorial. Okay. Now what we do is, final step is m plus 1 factorial, if I take common from both, we get m plus 2 in the first one minus 2. Okay, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Therefore we are left with m plus 1 factorial when it gets, therefore we are left with m plus 1 factorial, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, into m. Now when you try to write, just see the right hand side is 1999 into 2000 factorial. Right hand side is, this is your right hand side. So when you compare very clearly, m will be 1999. Therefore this is the answer. Correct option is first one. Thank you.